Hey there, welcome to Tekzoid. Today, let's explore Samsung Dex, your phone's secret weapon to turn into a desktop computer. Yep, you heard that right. What is Samsung Dex? Samsung Dex, short for desktop experience, lets you use your Galaxy phone or tablet like a PC. Just connect it to a monitor, TV, or even a laptop, and boom, you get a full desktop-style interface. No need to carry a laptop around. Your phone does it all. Key features of Samsung Dex PC like interface. Use apps in resizable windows, open multiple tabs, and multitask, just like on a computer. Connect anywhere. Use a cable or go completely wireless. Dex works on TVs, monitors, and PCs. Touchpad mode. Your phone becomes a touchpad when connected to a screen. Drag and drop files. Easily move files between apps or from your phone to a connected PC. Gaming and entertainment. Stream games or videos on a big screen while still using your phone. How to use Samsung Dex. Option 1. Wired connection. Plug your phone into a monitor using a Dex cable, HDMI adapter, or Dex station. Dex will launch automatically. Option 2. Wireless connection. Swipe down to open quick settings. Tap on Dex. Choose your smart TV or monitor from the list. Tap Start Now, and you're good to go. Option 3. On your PC. Download Samsung Dex for PC, Windows 10 or later. Connect your phone with a USB-C cable. Your PC becomes your second screen, or a dashboard for mobile apps. What you'll need to get started: a compatible Galaxy device, S, Note, Fold, or Tab series, Android 10 or later, a smart TV 2019 or newer, or any display with HDMI. Optional: Samsung Dex cable, keyboard, and mouse for full desktop vibes. Click the link in the description to visit our full detailed post. Final thoughts: Samsung Dex is perfect for mobile professionals, students, or anyone who wants more out of their phone. Whether you're editing documents, watching movies, or presenting at work, Dex turns your phone into a real productivity powerhouse. Thanks for watching Tekzoid. Hit like and subscribe for more no-fluff tech breakdowns. Catch you in the next one.